Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, this is the hourly chart of gold in front of us, and we can clearly see there is good amount of selling pressure on gold. If you look at a daily chart of gold, then we can see daily chart of gold is showing good amount of correction that we have been discussing. We all have been waiting. Millions of traders around the world have been waiting for the last couple of weeks, and finally we can see the correction. So right now gold is standing at 2286, and surprisingly, rather shockingly, gold broke the psychological level of 2300 and trading below it. You can see the black line here is the 2300 level, and right now market is trading around 2285, or this is the current market price. And if you observe the last 4 or 5 candles, we can see the market is trying to take support. But if we zoom out the chart, you can clearly see that we do not have any significant support here. So if market breaks this level here, further downside is possible. So let's try to understand the market sentiment first. Gold subdued as traders ready for Fed rate verdict. Gold prices struggle for momentum on Wednesday as investors refrain from taking big positions ahead of US Federal Reserve policy decision that could offer for more cues on its rate cut timeline. Gold holds decline as Fed decision looms. So market is expecting that gold may remain like this. But yes, if a one red candle also forms, then obviously we are retail traders. Okay, we can look for trading opportunities, isn't it? Okay, but yes, be careful. If you already have an ongoing sell position, you can be on the trade. Okay, suppose you have taken a sell yesterday, day before yesterday, then you can be on the trade, because we can clearly see the market is in downtrend. After the news, okay, there will be volatility. What will happen? Nobody can predict the market. But before the news, you can expect the market to remain under the dominance of the sellers. If market tries to go up also, you can expect the market to face resistance around 2300. The previous support will be working as resistance, and you can see at the same level we also have the FIBO 23.6% retracement level. So during the Asian session, European session, if market goes up also, market will face some selling pressure around this area. As a day trader, you can look for sell. If you see market struggling around this area, you can hit the sell button. After the news, try to follow the trend of the market. Do not look for reverses, because if you look at the economic calendar, you can see we have the ISM PMI coming up. Okay, then we have Fed interest rate decision. So market will be volatile throughout the US session. So please be careful. If you're a beginner, new trader, if you do not have any open position, just observe the market to gain experience. Do not try to gamble. Okay. And my dear friends, if you're looking for further detailed analysis, then you can give a shot to Dotbee, which is an AI powered chatbot, also your friend in this trading journey. First of all, Dotbee is a chatbot, so you can ask any questions to Dotbee. But on the right hand side, you can also see that time frames are mentioned: 50 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour, 4 hours. So what you can do is you can directly click here and just your desired or beloved option here. Let's go with XAUSD and 50 minutes. You can see that within 1 second, okay, you have the detailed analysis of XAUUSD. Okay, you can also change the time frame. Let's go with the 1 day time frame. Now you can see that analysis of XAUSD for 1 day. Okay, and here it goes. So this is how powerful Dotbee is. So my dear friends, if you're a busy person, if you do not have much time for the analysis, okay, you can just use Dotbee. You will love it. And at the time of trading, if you want to go to the analysis, then you can simply go to the mobile version like this. This is a very cool feature. You can see, okay, you just need to click on the switch here, and there it goes. You have the mobile version of the Dotbee, and you can just look at the chart on the right hand side. Isn't it cool, my dear friends? So you can check out Dotbee. The link is in the description. And my dear friends, this is the 4 hour chart of gold in front of us, and here we can see that right now market is almost standing at the 200 moving average. So if we draw FIBO here, we can see previously when market came to FIBO 0.236, market showed a good bounce. So obviously we can expect the same, isn't it, from the next FIBO level, which is around 2260. So in simple words, okay, if the selling pressure continues like this, then before news, we can expect the market to give us a good bounce around 2260. Okay. And I have not placed any buy limit yet, but yes, I'm planning to place a buy limit, okay, before, okay, and it will be valid before the news. But as there is selling pressure on the market and the market is almost standing at the 200 moving average here. So, okay, so taking a new sell position can be a little bit risky here. Okay, so it depends on you. But if market breaks double two, okay, if market breaks double 280, then a good amount of sell may come. It may be a good selling opportunity for almost 150 pips. Okay, time will speak. Okay, it is very difficult to tell right now because before a major event we do not get to see much volume, or we do not get to see much volatility. But yesterday market proved us wrong. Okay, market showed extreme volatility, market showed good amount of volume, so things are a little difficult with the market always. So if market breaks double 280 with good selling pressure, you can look for a sell. But right now, if you have already an ongoing sell position, you can be on the trade. And before news, we can expect a good bounce around double 2260, double 2261 because of FIBO 38.2% retracement level, and FIBO has been working here very nicely. Okay. So we are back to the hourly chart of gold again, and you can see that if this level, okay, is okay, doesn't work, then we have the next selling opportunity around 2308 to 2310. But before the US session, I don't think so market will be so volatile that market will break 2300. So in short, we have multiple trading opportunities on the market right now, but you need to be little careful. Okay, so let me repeat again. Overall, okay, the overall we can see the market is little bit bearish right now. Okay, and if you look at the present trend of the market, then obviously there is no doubt that sellers are dominating this market here at this moment. After the Fed interest rate decision, market will be volatile and market may behave, okay, like crazy. So that's a different chapter. But before news, we can expect the market to remain under the dominance of sellers, and we can look for sell position. So if you already have an ongoing sell position, you can be on the trade because selling pressure is there in the market. And if market breaks double 280 with heavy volume, then we can also look for a sell below this level. But the problem is that market is already very much oversold. Okay, so in this market situation, it is better to go for a sell at the resistance, and here the resistance is 2300. So listen to me carefully. Okay, it may sound a little complicated if you're new to the market. So as the market is already oversold, okay, heavily oversold, it's better to look for a sell at resistance. And as we all know, sell on rise is the best trading strategy in this type of market situation. And here the resistance is around 2300 and then 2308, 2310. But the immediate resistance is around 2300 only. But sometimes market is so weak that it fails to go up. In that case, obviously you can look for a sell below 2285. But personally, I will not go for any sell at this moment because I am not much convinced. And as we all know that before any major event, usually there is not much volume in the market. Moreover, today is May Day. Okay, so okay, or Labor Day, sorry, May. So in absence of volume, okay, so breakout and breakdowns usually fail. So let's wait and watch. Okay. But personally, I feel that okay, a correction may come. Okay, correction may come. Not a complete trend reversal for the next few months and years, but yes, we can expect a correction on gold. Personally, I have seen that before. Okay, before a big events. For example, okay, in India we have Akshar Tritiya coming up on 10th of May. Okay, so if the price of gold is here, then obviously the people will not be able to buy. Those, okay, who are listening to me from outside India, okay, then Akshaya Tritiya is a festival in India where people buy gold. Okay, you can just Google for more details. Okay, so if the price of gold is so high, then obviously people won't be able to buy gold, and Indians are huge buyers of gold. So obviously a correction is needed. Fundamentally, I'm always bullish on gold. Obviously, okay, you guys have heard me saying a lot of time, but yes, we can see that the selling pressure is there in the market. So at this moment, it is better to be on the sell side only. Okay, after the news, if a trend reversal comes, that's a different thing. But at this moment, we can see that there is selling pressure. So sell on rise is the best trading strategy around 2300. Okay, and we have a good support around 2260, so we can also expect a bounce around there as well. Okay, so let's wait and watch. Do not expect a complete trend reversal from 2260. At least you can expect a bounce of 50 to 70 pips. Okay, so that's all from my side, my dear friends. Thank you so much. Bye bye, take care. This week is going to be volatile because of today's Fed rate decision, and most importantly, we have T and FP coming up. So let's wait and watch. Bye bye, take care. See ya tomorrow.